Happy wife, happy life.
Guys, Dawson and I were playing. Ayan, Mommy has to leave early from work today. Yan, nag-half day lang ako kasi Dawson has been very fussy since last night. Masakit ang tiyan niya kasi 3 days siyang hindi nakikinig lang siya. 3 days siyang hindi nag-poop. So yun, I called his doctor and she told me to give him apple juice. But before I was able to do that, naka-poop na siya. Pagdating namin dito sa bahay, bibigyan ko na sana siya. Pagka-pick up ko sa kanila, galing sa babysitter. Pagdating namin dito, ginawa ko siya sa kanyang car seat. Diyos ko po, punong-puno ng poop yung kanyang diaper. Hindi ko alam kung gaano nakatagal yun kasi sobrang parang dried na. Parang ang tagal na dun sa niya. Puwet niya. Samantalang panay ang tanong ko sa babysitter kung nakapoop na siya kasi para hindi na ako umalis sa work kasi alam ko pag nakapoop siya, he will feel better. So, I don't need to leave work. Pero she keeps saying na hindi pa daw and that Dawson is crying a lot. So, I feel so guilty kaya I decided to ask to leave early. Ayan, he's a happy baby now. Kanina pa yung tawa ng tawa. Oh. Ang mukha ni Mommy, oh. Nakikinig lang si Dawson, ang kulit. Si Brady naman, no, ayun, nakahiga sa kanyang bouncer. Good afternoon, guys. So, ka-out ko lang. It's 3:45. And inantay ko lang medyo kumunti yung traffic kasi ang tagal ko makalabas dito. 3:30 yung labas namin. Pero mga alas 4 na ako makakalabas ng parking lot. Sobrang dami kasi alam nyo na lahat ng tao may sasakyan. So, hindi na ako gano'n nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi it was raining nung sinundo ko yung kambal. Tapos, grabe, pagdating namin sa bahay, sobrang dami ng poop ni Dawson. As in, kumalat sa car seat and stuff. Pasensya na guys kung kumakain kayo. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam kung it's been, kung matagal na ba yun sa kanya. Kasi parang ang dry na. So, sinasabi ko nga kay Kalbo, baka mamaya matagal na yun sa wet pack niya. Hi! Mga mali. Hoy, Tiray! Tiray! Ano? Sabihin mo kay Sheka ha. Yung coupon ko.
Ang gatas.
Panggatas. Bye, Ate Judy! Bakit nahuli kayo?
Kasi nagtapos po siya. Tinapos pa niya.
Oh, sige.
Gusto mo ng stripes ulit na white?
No. Ayan sila, ka-out lang din nila. Nauna kami ni Marcel. Hindi ko alam kung matagal na ba yung poop sa kanyang diaper. Tapos sinasabi ko nga kay Kalbo, baka mamaya ang tagal na nun. Tapos hindi niya lang chinek yung yaya nila. So, actually, naghahanap kami ng bago. Kung meron kaming mahanap na mura lang din. So, na mas malapit lang dito sa akin kasi 15 minutes yung drive namin araw-araw, kaya ang aga namin umaalis sa bahay. Pero sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya kasi ang sweet niya sa mga bata, kaya lang yun nga lang sobrang dami nang inalagaan niya, hindi na niya masyadong bibigyan ng yung talagang atensyon na kailangan ng sanggol ng kambal.
Goodness, look at that smile. Look at that smile. Are you ready to see Mommy? Mommy's going to be here in a couple minutes. Yes, she is. Are you ready for Mommy? Huh? Are you ready to see Mommy? Goodness. Are you ready for Mommy, Braden? Dawson, I'm sorry. You ready for Mommy? Are you ready for Mommy? Yes, you are. You just had yourself a bottle, didn't you? Yeah. Did you get enough milk? Get enough milk for that tummy? Huh? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You feel full? Yeah, look at that smile. You're so precious. You feel better? Tammy said you are grumpy today. Were you grumpy? Huh? Were you grumpy today? She said you were grumpy today. She said you were grumpy today.
Yeah, it was grumpy.
Why are you grumpy? But you've
Yeah,
been
it was
smiles all
grumpy.
day.
It was grumpy last night, remember?
You've been
Since last
smiles all
night.
day since I've had
Hi,
you.
baby. Hi, baby. Dasan. Hi. Hi, talk to mommy.
Yeah, both of them
Talk to
smiling.
mommy. Give me a smile. Daddy said you guys are smiling. What is it? Daddy said you've been smiling. Huh? Huh, baby?
I was making noises and they were smiling. He was smiling. They both were actually.
Oh. What did you guys do? Hmm? What did you guys do there? Did you guys play? Si Doso nagiging kamukha ko na. He really looks like me now.
No, he doesn't.
Who does she look? Who does he look like? You?
Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan.
You Jackie Chan.
Hindi talaga sila magkamukha. Dawson is more on Filipino features while Brayden looks white. Ayun yung dalawa guys, nag-enjoy sa kanilang swing while mommy is going to do their laundry. Yan, I wanna play with you guys but mommy needs to do something. Mamaya na tayo mag-play, okay? Bless you, Brayden. Ang bait ng dalawa. Mamaya iyak na yan. Okay, mommy is going to play music. Nursery rhyme, okay? And you guys are gonna behave. So yun guys, I think Brayden is sleeping. Dawson is kinda fuzzy. Ayun, maglalaba muna ako and tutupin na kanilang mga damit. Daddy is going to store to get French fries.
And
Tsaka nag-order ako ng cream for my stretch mark. And ang mahal nun. The name is Mederma and I look it up online. Sobrang ganda ng reviews. The reviews are really good and it's a lot of women says that it really works. Kasi sobrang itim ng stretch mark ko. At I think puputi yan. Sa ngayon sobrang itim. Kaya I'm trying to not get rid of it. I don't think you will get rid of it. Lighten lang.
what else is that it?
Buy the whole store.
Yeah.
Tanong na tanong si Calvo, anong gusto ko? You. Ang landi. Nothing, Han. Just go get it and French fries. And I will text you if I think of something.
What the?
We're having chicken and French fries. What?
Yeah, I'll try to cook it on that grill. That grill's not very good.
Why don't you just cook it in the oven, Han? Ang sakit ng aking mukha kasi yung proactive na mamalat na.
I'll figure something out.
Okay, just let me know
Alright.
what you decide. Natamad na magluto si Cubs. Ayan, umiyak na yung mga anak ko. So yung guys, titignan ko muna kung ano, bakit umiiyak. Baka kailangan magpalit ng diaper. Why so fuzzy? Oh, baby. Come here now. Mommy will get you now. Oh, okay. Mommy will get you now. So guys, hindi ko pa nalilinisan yung dalawa. Ayan, puro stain yung damit ni Dawson. I don't know kung poop ba to. Pero amuyin ko mamaya. Galing lang nila sa kanilang yaya. And check ko kasi si Brayden marami rin sa damit. Oh my goodness. Kawawa naman yung mga anak ko. So yun, palidihin ko muna si Brayden. Katatapos lang dumedi ni Kuya Dawson. Yung nagkakaroon na siya ng bald spot sa likod. Sabi ng doktor, normal lang naman daw yan. Tutubo din. Kasi lagi siya nakahiga ng ganyan. Maghirap muna ako ng milk ni, ito yung milk ni Dawson. Si Brayden naman ang aking padidiin. Yun, umiiyak na. Ganun daw talaga dito sa Amerika. Yung mga Amerikana, ganun daw talaga sila pag nag-alaga sa mga bata. Yung parang yung kanilang kontrata ay magbantay lang at pakain. Hindi talaga sila naglilinis. Kasi yung friend ko, ganun din yung anak niya. Pag uwi ng bahay, ang dungis, hindi daw nililinisan. Kaya kahit daw sinong kunin mo, ganun daw talaga sila mga Amerikana. So, unless na lang makahanap ka ng Pilipina. Kasi tayo talaga, malinis talaga tayo. I mean, hindi ko naman sinasabing hindi sila malinis, kaya lang, wala silang pake. Lumiyak na yung anak ko. Hold on, baby! Parang lamig pa. Dami-dami ko pa rin piklat eh. Pero yung tagyawat, wala na, mga piklat na lang siya. Hold on, Brayden! Ay, kuya. Ang tahimik mo lang dyan, kuya. Tapos niya lang dumede, kaya yun. Nakahiga lang siya dyan. Nakaupo pala. Ay, kuya ko. Bait naman ang kuya namin. Pinapadede ko yung baby brother mo. Baby brother is eating. You a good boy, kuya? Huh? We're gonna have to take a bath soon. I know you like taking a bath. Bakit? Ayun, nagsisimula na siya. Do you want me to bounce you? Do you want me to bounce you, baby? Hi, baby. So, yun guys. Nilagay ko sila dito sa kanilang crib. Gustong-gusto nila to. Look at the smile. Alam na nila agad. Para ako makapagtupi ng kanilang mga damit, I'm going to fold their clothes and clean their room because it's a little messy. Don't have time to clean their room anymore. Ito lang ang kanilang entertainment, yung kanilang mobile. Tuwan-tuwa yung dalawa. Siguro ma-entertain sila nito ng mga 30 minutes. After that, they're gonna start fussing. Nagsawa na kaagad. So guys, you need to be a good boy, okay? Mommy will fold the clothes and clean your room.
It could be.
Soon guys, daddy's home na and he's going to...
Hey, they gave me a candy bar.
Where did
It's in there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm gonna win a $100 gift card.
My candy bar. So ito yung in-order ko online. It's called Mederma. Yeah. It says that it's really effective for stretch mark. Ang mahal nito. Mga nasa siguro 2,000 pesos pag kinonvert mo siya. Win a 100 gift card. Kalbong, hilig na rin sumali sa giveaway. Nga pala, is going to cook our dinner habang ako'y magpapaligo sa dalawa. And maraming salamat everyone sa lagi nyong pagsubaybay sa
Can I
amin.
go on my eyes?
What?
Little
That's
wrinkle.
for a stretch. That's for a stretch mark.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm so excited to use this and see the results. You can see the result in 4 weeks.
Sorry.
Stop it, hon. Kulit ni Calvo.
One more. Sorry, I like doing that.
Parang bata. Sina, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Han, to everybody. Say something to them.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for following us. Keep it up.
Yun lang.